Now, you're trying to survive 30 days in the Amazon rainforest. All you really need some good rope, good knife. Let's go. Into the harsh jungles of the Amazon rainforest. Oh, come on, come on, come on! Ah! It's a crook! Let's get him! Ah! What's up? What's up? Hip, hip, nah! Ah! 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 We put him to sleep. Alright. Let's go. Oh, vines! Ha! 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 Okay, we're through. Ah! It's the poisonous duck! One drop of its poisonous Amazonian duck can kill a man and leave him lying there for 30 days. Could be real good. Ha! 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 We got him, mate. Ha! Ha! We're gonna bring him back to the house. We're gonna fillet him up, and that's some food that'll last us about, 2 days or so. Ha, 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 ha. Yeah. Okay. This is some good meat right here, mates. Okay? Some real good meat. This'll last for a while. Alright, let's go back to the base. Yeah, come on, Duke. Let's go. Ah! Here we are. Here we are back at home, okay? On top of this guy. Got to be real careful, even because he is still venomous. But we have to cut off the bite. Okay. Now we can touch him. Okay. We want fillet these legs. Get the butt real nice. Fillet that up, be the main first. Take those chicken arms, duck wings, chop him at his head. Now it is all cooked up. Slap him on the grill and okay. Now our duck's ready to eat. This will be a nice meal.